Kasama natin live sa ating studio ang owner ng Social Piggy ng Pig Senyor at ang Senyor Vic De Leon Lima. Good morning po, sir, at welcome po sa Pro Pinoy.
Hi, good morning everyone.
Sir
Morning,
Josh.
Josh. Morning, Josh.
Maayong buntag, maayong buntag.
Mayong buntag. Alright.
Joshua
Si
Noel.
Pig Senyor, ako naman si Big Senyor.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Very good. Nice meeting you. Siyempre si Joanna.
Yes, hi.
Alright.
Thanks for having me.
Good, yan. Good morning, Sir Josh ulit. Kailan po nag-start itong Pig Senyor?
Actually, nagsimula siya nung October of 2019. So, mga around 4 years now, going on 5. So, yung pinaka first roast namin was October 2019. So, before yung Pig Senyor, we actually, kasi galing kami from Cebu. We were born and raised in Cebu, yung mga kids.
Taga Cebu ka talaga.
Taga Cebu talaga
Taga
kami.
Cebu ka
Tubog
talaga.
Cebu.
And then, when we moved to college, palaging nakakrave namin yung sense of home. So, we would
course.
constantly fly lechons for mga birthdays, celebrations, Christmas. Until nung October of 2019 that we decided to fly in lechoneros na lang, tapos mag-roast na lang kami dito.
Bakit lechon? Was it your original business, the family business?
No, so actually yung original family business namin is in the trucking industry.
Ang layo,
Handled by my dad, yes.
trucking, ano?
And then, but since when we moved to Manila nga, na parang we always crave the sense of home. And then,
Yes.
the number one association that we have to Cebu is really lechon talaga.
Yeah, lechon ng
So
Cebu.
that is basically, yung Pig Senyor talaga is one of our parang love letters namin to Cebu, or our dedication to Cebu, representing it in a way na to make other Cebuanos proud. And when
Oo.
they have it, parang they also have that sense
What
of pride.
happened to the trucking business?
It's still running. It's still running.
It's
Fortunately
still
enough, it's still running.
running.
But it's actually yung dad ko yung nag-handle talaga.
Yung lechoneros po natin, paano natin sila nakuha?
So actually, ninipad talaga namin sila from Cebu.
Yun na talaga
Imported,
Sila talaga yung imported, mga imports namin. Na, which is, pero everything else is done here. So yung difference ng produkto namin versus the others is it's always made fresh. So whatever time you need, let's say for lunchtime or dinner time, it's always made fresh talaga.
How is that? Were they newly hired or yung lechoneros nyo o pinahire?
Matagal na.
No, actually, what's this? Parang they've been doing it or they've been in the industry already for at least mga decades already. So yung mga
Expert?
experience talaga and whatnot. So that's actually how we wanted to get our people talaga. Yung experience talaga and people that also believe in our advocacy na to sharing yung lechon Cebu to the Manileños.
Oo.
Yes.
Oh, yun naman talaga yung goal. Matikman sa Maynila, yung
Yes,
gawa na sa Cebu.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ilan na po yung lechoneros natin ngayon?
We have around five lechoneros and
Oh, okay.
everything. Yes, yes. So
Okay.
we're a very lean team, but we're ready for any challenge that comes.
Yung
up.
physical store po natin, saan eksakto dito sa Manila?
Actually, to be quite honest, wala kaming physical store, pero meron kaming commissary lang from Sucat Parañaque. Actually, from Sucat Parañaque, but we can deliver all around Metro Manila.
Even in Cebu, wala kayong physical store?
Wala.
So how do I order if I'm in Cebu?
We can't actually deliver to Cebu kasi unfortunately.
Nandito ba kayo nakabase?
Yes,
Nandito.
all here, yes, all
okay.
Manila roasted and
Parañaque.
everything from Parañaque.
Oh,
From
so
Sucat
if I
Parañaque.
order, it will be online.
Yes, all online. And then we can deliver it to whatever address you guys have sa Metro Manila.
Oh,
talaga. Yes,
but the question there is, Joshua and Joanna, yung freshness ba? You're from Parañaque.
Yes, yes.
I'm from Fairview or
Yes,
wherever na malayo sa Parañaque.
Yes,
How
yes.
can you guarantee the freshness?
Yeah, so for us,
Dalutong.
yes, yes.
Dalutong.
Actually, that's one of the more important things that we wanted to address before
Diba?
really selling and advertising it. So we wanted to do several months of quality control, making sure that we get the best process for us to deliver it, even to far addresses like Fairview. So for us, we really try to make sure na it's from our pit straight to your table.
No,
yung
hindi man perfect, pero at least nandun pa rin
Yes,
yung
yes.
crips
Luto.
niya.
Yun
no?
yung best effort natin.
Yeah, yun yung
Yes.
oo.
Yeah.
Pero kasi sinasabi ng ibang tao, oh, what's new with the lechon? What's new with the
kaibahan?
other lechon? It's all the same. how would you distinguish your lechon from the other lechon?
Okay.
Diba?
Yeah, so basically, when we actually moved to, diba I mentioned a while ago na we moved to Manila from Cebu.
Oo.
And then during our celebrations, when we didn't fly in the lechons yet, we would notice na Manila people really eat their lechon with sauce.
Mas gusto ko yung bote. Mas gusto ko yung bote. Di ba?
Ako rin actually. yun.
Di ba? Mas gusto ko yung bote.
Perfect for pulutan.
Mas
actually,
gusto ko yung bote,
lechon.
Joshua.
Amen, amen.
Make sure it's cold, man.
Yes, yes.
Make sure it's...
And then, yeah, so basically, some of the things that we try to do talaga is, we try to push the Cebuano heritage also na authentic Cebu lechon does not need lechon sauce or anything. So kahit anong suka or whatnot, we try to make it flavorful enough na di kailangan talaga ng
Sausawan?
sausawan or whatnot.
Wow.
Yes.
Hindi, ganun ang ano eh. Ganun. Kasi Joanna, sa Cebu, walang sarsa ang lechon.
Yes.
Di ba? You
Amen,
tell
yes,
them
yes.
kung ano ang sarsaw ng lechon sa Cebu.
Parang if you have like sausawan with the lechon, parang they'll frown on you. They'll be like, oh, bakit ganun? So that's actually something that we wanted to do as well sa...
Suka, di ba? Vinegar?
No, not even. Even for us.
Wala
parang
doon
Sa inyo,
talaga.
sa inyo.
Sa Cebu.
Pati yung lechon sa Cebu.
There are some lechoneros in Cebu that some lechon
May
branches
kinainan
do.
ako eh. Yung tatlong letra ba yun? Di ba? Huwag ko sasabihin.
Yes.
Tatlong letra, di ba?
Yes.
Ah,
Pero for
mamaya.
us talaga, we truly believe that good lechon, if your lechon is good, di kailangan ng sauce.
Di kailangan ng...
In
So we
fairness,
also the juiciness of the meat, yung flavorful talaga, and then it's actually yung lechon kasi it's a crafted.
Bakit sumasapaw yung sarsa sa lasa ng lechon?
Naiiba.
What do you mean?
Natatalo niya yung lasa ng
Oo.
lechon, di ba?
Mas
No, not
Nangingibabaw.
actually. What's this? Parang mabababa. Actually, what you mentioned.
Nangingibabaw.
Nangingibabaw nga, yun, nangingibabaw.
So parang we try to make it a point na yung meat is already flavorful, it's juicy. That's why we also prefer the freshness from our pit to your table.
Oo.
That's how we want to
Hindi ba?
we want to push.
Mami, gusto mo na munang tumayo? Kumain ka muna. Kay ni Joe.
Nakaka-curious yung
Pwede rin naman.
lasa.
Kaming bala ni Andres dito. Bakit hindi kayo sa Cebu nagtayo?
Yeah, so yung initial idea kasi is we wanted to build the brand here first in Manila.
To have a taste of Cebu.
To have a taste of Cebu. So this is actually a personal
Yeah, actually.
mission of ours na, so
sabagay.
we can parang satisfy our cravings. It's more of like that, satisfy our cravings, and then maybe down the line we can think about Cebu, but as of the moment we can concentrate on Manila.
Now, where do you get your Yung mga
Baboy.
baboy?
That one is confidential. I cannot share.
Confidential.
No, but do you have your own piggery ba? Tawag
we
doon?
source it.
Okay.
From local
That's
farmers,
good,
yes,
that's
yes.
good. Dito rin yun, sa Luzon. So,
Yes, in different areas, yes.
and then, sige, Joe.
Good.
Hindi, may tatanong ako eh.
Sige na.
Hindi kasi, alam mo sa Cagayan de Oro, I don't know if you've been there, yung Philips, yung Dole Philippines, meron sila mga steak doon eh. Alright? Bakit masarap ang steak sa Bukidnon, sa Cagayan de Oro?
Because they eat the pineapple.
It's a pineapple plantation. They feed the cows with the balat ng pinya.
Yes. Correct.
Now, sa inyo, may ganun ba, Angel?
That one I cannot share.
Okay. Pero
Unfortunately,
meron kayong kakaibang pinipid.
that
Hindi mo
one I-
sasabihin.
I cannot share. Like that. That
Okay.
is strictly confidential.
Now,
for
yung
process.
pinapakain nyo sa baboy nyo, lumalabas ba lasa niya?
No. So it's basically, it's really talagang the way we cook it talaga.
Nasa process talaga.
Sa process
ng pagluto.
talaga.
Ayaw talaga eh, no?
Ayaw talaga.
eh.
Huwag mo
Yes,
na
yes.
pilitin. So, yung size po natin na nasa harapan natin, anong size po ito?
Yeah, so this one's actually our small.
Small
that I
yan?
wanted to,
Small yan?
Yeah, that's what I wanted to sample also to the Pro Pinoy team. With as a thanks to all of you for allowing us to.
I'm telling you, right after this program, you be ready with your cell phone dahil
Yes, yes.
uusok talaga yan and
Yes,
your
yes,
online.
yes,
ano.
yes.
So, ito ang small nyo.
Yes, this is our small, so it can serve around 25 to 30 packs if there's other food available.
Depende rin sa tao, no?
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
Joe,
yes.
dalawa lang silang tumira
Yes,
niya.
yeah.
Pero ang small nyo ba is bigger than the regular small na mga nabibili
Others.
rito?
It depends on the cooked weight talaga. So a lot of other brands share it as the live weight and whatnot. But for us, it's really the cooked weight. So parang you have a better idea of gaano kataga.
Right. This is not the lechon de leche.
This
Hindi
is,
ito,
this
no?
is slightly bigger.
Bigger than leche
yes.
ito, eh, no?
Yes, yes.
So, mas malaki-laki ito.
This is perfect sa mga pulutan, sa mga inuman, mga ganun. So,
Oo naman.
Wag-
Oo naman. Oo naman.
Maaga pa.
Oo naman.
never
Dapat
too
dala
early
cooler.
na- Yes, yes.
May
Ba-
mas maliit pa po dito.
Sometimes we serve it. It depends also on the occasion, and if you let us know in advance, para we can help source
Yung smaller
the perfect size.
Well, if Joe Mariano will order lechon from you, ano ang sasabihin niya? 4 lang kami, bigyan mo ako ng de leche, or should she say na,
Small.
bigyan mo ako ng small?
It should really be a small. So,
Small.
So the way we do it talaga, and actually it's perfect for celebrations, yung mga especially at night.
Oo naman.
After the lechon is eaten, it's a parang we really yung the leftovers of the lechon, we fry it and then it becomes extra pulutan also.
Alam mo,
Yes, yes.
to tell you honestly, mas gusto ko ang lechon na piniprito.
Yes, yes.
Di ba? Piniprito.
Yes, yes.
And of course, the paksiw. The paksiw, matik
Lechon
yan.
kawali
yes,
ba
yes.
yun?
Ha?
Lechon kawali ba yun?
Hindi. Hindi. Iprito mo yung lechon, yung mga leftover.
Yes,
Masarap.
Yeah, so
Paksiw.
yeah, so what we
Paksiw,
also try
yeah.
to push also kasi may vegetables din kami sa loob. So
Yeah, of course.
unlike Manila lechon, you can eat the insides also. So everything is edible in our lechon. The ears, that's actually my favorite part. Yung
The ears?
the ears, yeah.
Kasi
And then-
pag may handaan, di ba, tenga unang-unang tinitira dyan.
yes.
Doon natin testing yata kung malutong talaga yung
Yes,
ano
yes.
no? Yung lechon. So ito small.
Yes.
Malaki ang small mo, ha?
Yes.
Eh ako naman pag kumain ako lechon, talagang kurot-kurot lang.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
not really into ano eh.
So, ito pong small natin, magkano?
The small is 10,250.
10,250. Yung susunod na size po.
The next size is 11,250. And then the large, that's medium. The large is 12,250.
12,250. Ilang tao po yung pwede dun sa
Yeah, so the small can serve around 25 to 30 packs if there's other food available.
Marami tong kakain.
Yung
Medium.
medium is mga 25 to 30 to 35, and then 35 to 40 packs.
hanggang 40 yung large.
Ito
25 to
ay
30 to 10 to 50, yes, correct.
10. Ano, how much is this?
This is
10 to
10,000 to
10,000.
10,250.
How about if there's a delivery? Will there be another?
Yeah, so the deliveries are actually done via third-party courier, and it's shouldered by customers.
The
as well.
customer.
Yes.
May add-on po kapag spicy.
Yes. So this one is actually original, but our personal favorite flavor is the mild spicy.
Mild
sa family namin.
Hindi ba natatalo ng anghang yung lasa ng lechon pag maanghang?
No. So it perfectly blends in
Oh,
with the
okay.
flavor.
Uy.
So we actually have 3 types of flavors. So there's the original, the mild spicy, and the spicy halang.
Ah,
so it's the
okay.
extremely spicy ones.
Okay.
Uy.
Yeah.
So right now, ang delivery nyo is only for Metro NCR, right?
Metro Manila, yes. ma'am.
Metro
Metro
Manila.
Manila lang.
There are times that we can deliver to Tagaytay. and
Mga
whatnot,
okay lang
out of-
yun.
Yes, but it'll parang we prefer that if you guys would be the ones to book your own courier. Parang gano'n. Or pick up na lang.
Yeah.
Or at least it's straight to destination. already.
So courier pala, you don't use your truck. Why not
No,
use
no,
your...
no.
There, no?
So as of the moment, we wanted to just focus on the product first, the lechon first,
Sabagay.
and then everything else can follow.
Na-survey nyo na po ba? Naaral nyo na po ba kung ano yung saan siya pinakamalakas na lugar dito sa Metro?
Oo.
QC number 1 is good.
Good, laki ng QC.
Alabang as well is very good for us. Actually, all around Metro Manila, we've been fortunate enough to grow the business that it reached to those areas.
Well,
hot areas.
most especially now, pag malapit na yung Christmas season.
Yes, Christmas season.
Kakayanin
Father's
nyo?
Day. Yes. Sobrang
bulk?
kaya. Sobrang kaya, yes. Always.
Kayang-kaya.
Yeah, we're always. That's actually one of the learnings that we had during the years. No, how much can we push the product?
Sa bagay,
Yes,
nagdaan na
yes.
kayo ng Pasko.
Yes,
no?
yes.
So 2019 was it pandemic already?
Slightly,
Meron na, no?
a little bit before the pandemic.
Now, what happened during the pandemic?
So during the pandemic, well, when we were doing our market study, din talaga.
Kasi
for
nakakaano
the-
nag-uumpisa pa lang kayo ng 2019.
Yes.
Here comes the pandemic. Parang mauudlot, di ba?
Yes,
So
yes,
what
yes.
happened?
October pa yun.
Di ba, di ba?
Yeah, so yung sa amin
Wow.
kasi before we even started the lechon business, we wanted to do proper market study, also how other people try to do it. the taste and everything. So what we prioritized talaga was the safety and the
Correct.
handling of it, because it's syempre we're selling food. No, so that was the number one thing that we put into place, and then everything else followed. So because our standards of cleanliness and whatnot, even in our operations in the whole area, was top notch. That's why we were able to get into the pandemic confident in our product and whatnot.
Well, how do you take care of the pigs now that, may mga oras na may ASF, may mga
Yes.
disease, hindi ba?
Yes, so-
Importante yun.
yes, yes.
How can you guarantee the customers?
Yeah, so for us naman, it's number one that we get all the necessary forms talaga before sourcing. So they have to pass a tedious process also before we actually start getting the pigs.
Kayo rin naman yata nagme-maintain ng piggery.
Yes,
ano?
yes.
So, mas okay yun,
Yes,
yung
yes.
kayo nakakakita.
Sa isang
So,
araw
work
po,
with people
ilang
talaga.
Oo.
ilang baboy yung
On an ordinary day.
natin? Ordinary day.
Enough. I would like to say enough naman for
hindi
it to
naman
be
sama.
sustainable. Yes.
Pag may mga events po, occasion, like ito, Father's Day, ready na po ba tayong makapag-
Yes, we're always ready naman. So it's just for us, we like to believe na it's just like an ordinary day. We always give 100% talaga for each and every day. Kasi syempre, as business owners, we want to, syempre gusto din namin na you're always getting our best effort.
Ilang araw ang binibigyan niyo sa customer to order? I mean, if I need it on...
Yes.
If
Yeah,
I need it on
advance.
Monday, kunyari.
Usually we ask for the preferred size mga at least 5 days, 3 to 5 days.
5 days.
But if you
Small.
say the small,
I need it Monday, kunyari.
is this an order? Do you want me to put it in our formulary?
Mamaya,
Easy.
pag-iisipan ko.
May taxi ba doon?
Kunyari, small, I need it one day. Ngayon ko lang naisip na gusto ko maglitsyon.
Yeah, we can
It's a
serve.
Friday already. It's Friday already.
Mga 3 to 5 days.
3
mga
to
ganun.
5
Kaya naman.
Hindi kaya, no? Oo.
Kaya rin naman.
Bakit? Tinitreat niyo pa ba yan? I mean, is there a treatment before you roast the pig?
Minamarinate.
No.
That one
May
I
nakapal
also,
ba sa pinggan yan?
that one also I cannot share.
No.
Unfortunately, yes.
Pero you put something in it without... Siyempre, no?
Yes,
Pampalasa.
love.
Love.
Lasa, love. Yeah,
Pag-ibig,
oo.
yes.
Yeah, okay. So, small, malaki, small nyo, ha?
Yes. Thank you.
Busog na.
Perfect for the
Karamihan sa mga umu-order sa inyo, was there ever a order, bagay palagay ko meron na since 2019 na talagang malaki? Ha?
Yeah, so we actually prefer to just keep it within our small, medium, large. Kasi
Doon lang.
anything else, that when we are also doing our market studies.
Well, kung maraming tao, umorder ng dalawang malaki, di ba?
Yes. Actually, that's perfect kasi syempre there are kids for big parties, diba? So the adults can get mild spicy or spicy. The kids can get the original. Parang ganun. That's how we want to do
Para
it
may
also.
choices.
Magkano yung pinakamalaki?
Yung pinakamalaki namin is
Kunyari sa laki ko.
maliit ka lang, sir. So,
Uy!
diba? So, sige.
Bago
Bago yun, ha?
order
Hindi
siya.
dragon, ha? No, magkano yung pinakamalaki?
It's around large, so it's around
Ay,
good for 40 packs if with the
20. 20K.
12 nga.
12,000.
12,250.
12 to 50.
Ang pinakamalaki?
Yes.
Tapos ang small mo is
10
10?
to 50.
Ba't ang lapit ng presyo?
So small, medium, large lang yan.
Ay, order ko lang large. Hindi ba?
Yes.
If it's 12,000 compared to 10 na small, I'll order.
The large.
Yes, it's perfect also for panghabang-habang usapan.
Ay, ang lechon naman eh. Lalo na pag pinaksiw mo na, hindi na
Napapani.
Wala kayong sarsa pag nag-deliver kayo, siyempre.
Yes, no sauce please.
So, kung gusto mo
So, it's actually
magpaksiw,
in our box.
bumili ka na
Hashtag
lang.
no sauce, please, yes.
But
no,
it's
actually,
in a
no.
box.
Even the sauce, like parang when you have it at home, di kailangan talaga ng sauce. We really...
Yeah, I know. But, pag nagpaksiw ako, siyempre, lalagyan ko
Yes.
nun, di ba?
Wala pa po bang restaurants ang kumukuha ng lechon?
Yung,
No, as of the moment, parang we want to keep it parang also the part of our quality control is we want it straight from our commissary. Straight to your tables, parang ganun. Kasi if there were...
To find out the difference, no? Tama rin yung ganung philosophy.
Hindi rin siya nare-resell kasi kayo
Yes,
lang
so
dapat.
it's us only.
So it's only online. You don't have mga pwesto like sa supermarket? Yung
No.
mga-
Yeah,
yung
so-
mga-
Pero plano nyo po.
To be quite honest, no. As of the moment, we like to keep it everything. Kasi when we start expanding, parang the quality might drop.
Ibig sabihin,
Diba?
kumikita sila dahil kontento na sila
Kaya
sa
nga eh.
order online,
Malaki
eh,
na
no?
eh.
Oo.
Big Senyor.
Oo.
Sukat pa rin yan.
Hopefully we'll be able to, in the future, we'll probably start other locations where we'll start roasting from. But as of the moment, we're happy with where.
Kasi pag nagtayo sila ng mga stall,
Babayad ng renta.
mapwepwersa kayo magtinda ng kilo-kilo. Tama ba?
Yes, and that
Which is hindi maganda. Tama
yes,
ba?
Yes, for me personally. Yes,
Pero
for us
yung mga malalaking lechonan, meron silang per kilo, ha?
Yes,
Malalaki. Kasi
yes, yes.
malalaki.
Hindi ba yung malalaki?
Yes, yes.
So wala pa kayong ganon.
There's sometimes that we do. That's why it's good na if people will follow our page kasi we also announce when we're gonna have a
Ayan.
birthday.
Okay.
Page mo
Our
ay...
page is at Pig Senor on Instagram and at Pig Senor on Facebook.
Oo. Who is senyor? Ikaw? Airpot mo?
No. Actually, yung Pig Senor talaga is the name came from yung brother-in-law ko. Said na what best represents Cebu, and it's obviously si Sinulo.
Pero what is your name? Joshua?
Joshua Cruz.
Cruz.
Yes, Joshua Cruz.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
so what best represents Cebu is also Sinulog.
Sinulog.
So, instead of Pit Senor, Pig Senor na lang. Kasi we're selling lechon.
So everybody settled here in Manila? Kayo?
Yes, all the kids. All the kids and my dad goes back.
Okay.
Oh, ilan po kayo magkakapatid?
We're 5 kids now. So
Involved dito sa Pig Senyor?
Sa Pig Senor, 4 kids. Pero ako talaga, since ako yung nag-interview, ako yung favorite.
Oo nga. Ikaw ba,
Okay.
bunso?
The third.
Sino ang senyor? ang airpot mo, ang father?
No rin.
Wala rin.
From
Sinulog
Pit-
Your
Talaga.
brother-in-law, tama ba?
My brother-in-law thought of the name.
Pig senyor.
Pig Senor. Yeah.
Sinulog nga kasi
Sinulog, yes.
tsaka the lechon. Cebu.
Okay. Nawawala ako kasi yung lechon eh. Oh. Andres, tinidor ha?
So, pinakamabenta po, yung small o yung large na?
Yung actually for... So, yung sa Manila kasi, what we noticed is lechon is only eaten sa special occasions. Mga
Oo,
birthdays,
Mahal
mga
kasi,
ganun.
mahal na handa.
Actually, kung mahal mo yung household mo, okay na yan. Diba?
Okay na yan. O, yun ang ano.
Yeah,
Kasi
so-
ako,
Yun ang linya doon.
there are times na talagang, wala, out of the blue, nagkikrave ako ng lechon.
Yes. Actually,
Oo.
us rin.
Hindi ba? Ganun
yes,
eh.
us rin.
New Year.
So for us, what we're trying to push also is yung lechon shouldn't just be for birthdays, for celebrations.
Oo eh.
But it could also be, let's say, for the end of the week. Siyempre, we're all working hard.
Yes,
make a living.
reward.
Reward system.
Di ba? Banding
Have it
for the
also
weekend ng barkada or
parang ganun.
kamag-anak.
Or parang if a lot of the kids already moved out of the house, what's a way for them to come back home?
Yeah.
Give them a reason. Give them
Yeah.
And
extra
celebration.
lechon.
Mini celebration sa
Parang
bahay.
ganun, yes.
No, kunyari may magbe-birthday. Sa October kasi may magbe-birthday,
Yes,
eh, no?
yes.
So,
Mag-anniversary din kayo.
Anniversary.
Dapat may
Oh.
promo yung magbe-birthday na.
so you only sell lechon?
Yes, only
Wala nang
lechon
iba?
at the moment. Yes.
Walang katerno, walang ano?
Walang
No,
lechong
just
manok.
lechon, just
Just
Ang sarap ternohan ng keg niyan. You know what a keg is?
Yes.
In America, there's a keg that you buy.
Yes.
$75, ilang litro yun?
Yeah.
Panalo yun, boy.
Yes.
Yung keg. San, ano yun? San? Birang laman nun.
Yes.
Di ba? So it's only lechon. Don't you ever thought of, venturing to baka, lechon baka?
Yeah,
Mahirap
as of
na.
the moment, parang we want to keep it simple
Lechon
also.
muna.
Just lechon baboy.
Oo. Pero actually, nagtitinda ng lechon baka, matigas eh.
Yes.
Oo, di ba?
Actually, when we were growing up, kasi it wasn't something that we also had growing up, lechon baka. It was something newer already. So yung lechon baboy talaga yung main natin.
Well, because ang Pinoy talaga pag may handaan, talagang lechon.
Yes,
no?
yes.
I mean, it's
Kasalan.
very seldom na
Lechon.
binabanggit,
Correct.
gusto ko ng lechon baka. It's always lechon. Hindi ba? Tama rin naman.
Ayan. So, sa pinaka-market po natin, na dito lang muna yan sa Metro Manila.
All Metro Manila.
All
yes,
Metro
yes.
Manila.
But we can deliver QC, Caloocan.
Yeah, sabi mo nga, Tagaytay, di ba?
Regions, yes.
Kung
Sometimes
hindi po
Tagaytay.
techie, hindi nag-Facebook, hindi nag-Instagram,
Yes.
paano po kayo kukontakin?
Yeah, so you can reach us out through yung mobile number din namin. You can also message us. It's 0917-189-6465.
Ayan. Meron
that is
silang
our
cellphone
numbers.
number.
Yes.
Kanino po
Call
yun?
me.
Sinong sasagot doon?
So,
Ikaw?
yung older brother ko naman yun. So, ako yung social piggy for marketing. Yung older sister ko, si Gabs, yung head piggy naman
Yeah.
namin. Yung middle sister ko, yung piggy bank namin. So, siya yung finance.
Sabi
So, yun.
So everyday may order kayo? Hindi nawawala?
Yes, fortunate enough.
Hindi na si
fortunate.
zero,
Yes,
no?
Yes, blessed talaga kami for...
Really? Even on weekdays, meron, ano?
Yes.
preferred talaga ng
Okay,
tao,
yeah.
Pig Senyor.
Also for office parties, we've had also
Oh, yeah.
a lot of people.
Ay, kaya nga. That's why I ask you, ngayon magdi-December, talagang
Yes, yes.
Di ba?
Bigyan
Yes.
natin ng parang para kung nakikurious sa iba tao, mga ilang order yung nung holiday season, mga ilang
Yung dumaang Pasko,
baboy.
2023.
Ilang baboy yung na lechon nyo.
It came to a point na medyo napuno yung street where we
Wow.
were roasting from.
Talaga?
Na in terms of cars picking up
Subdivision ba kayo?
Somewhere there, yes, yes.
Oh,
Nearby
subdivision
Nexio,
kayo,
yes.
di ba?
So, it came to a point na puno yung ng kotse for picking up orders. Yun na lang yung sasabihin ko.
Oh,
Lakas.
okay.
Yes.
Hindi naman kayo nagka-problema sa barangay nung sinara yung kalye?
No naman. So,
Hindi
we
naman.
actually
Oh, sa
had
lechon lang
problems
katapat
also.
doon.
No. Yeah, for that one, we actually created a system also para smooth sailing.
Hindi, tsaka anticipated na nila yun,
Yes.
siyempre. Negosyo, eh, no?
Yes.
Wala namang magulo, eh.
Kapag ganun po na in demand yung lechon kasi holiday, nagbabago kayo ng presyo.
Oo, sinabi mo yan, 10. Oh.
Yeah,
Sa
so-
December ba, 10 pa yung small?
Slight increases lang kasi
Slight.
it's because the price, yung presyo ng mga
Supply and
suppliers
demand.
namin, actually yung
Kasi-
presyo ng suppliers namin kasi nag-increase. That's why
Kasi it's
that's the
automatic
reason.
yung mga salaloma. Whenever it's December, nagtataas sila.
Yeah.
Parang bakit?
Sa amin kasi it's not necessarily more for profits. It's more kasi tumaas yung overhead namin with the supplies and everything. That's the only reason why we slightly increased.
No, but can you say that your price is lower than the usual lechonan on peak season?
We're fair. We're in the fair market. yes.
Okay, okay.
So we also don't want to, we want a certain premiumness also for our product. So parang ganun talaga. That's the way we try to market it.
Oo, naku, may intriga ang mga tao niyan. Kasi, alam mo, may experience ako dyan minsan sa may mall, eh.
Yes, yes.
Bumili ako yung, the problem with this lechon, yung naka-display nila magaganda. Umorder ako ng kalahating kilo. When I went home, it was all buto. Bumalik ako. Oh, the next time. Hindi ba? So as of now, wala kayong tingi-tingi. It's buo-buo.
Yes, all whole lechons lang talaga.
Eto, masasagot po ba to? Native pig po ba?
That one I will also not share. Yes,
Confidential.
Yes.
Curious tayo
Hindi,
lahat.
parang
Everything is
mahalata mo
operation
naman,
size.
hindi ba? Ano ba ang difference ng native at saka, ano ba tawag sa lechon na hindi native? Regular, hindi naman, hindi ba? Hindi naman mistiso.
Yes.
Hindi ba? Ang lechon ba na
May
native, iba kulay pag nilechon?
That one I also cannot share. But like, it's also based on how you do it and everything.
Pero hindi, tama ka. It's how you
How
do
you
it.
do it.
Hindi ba? Kung ano mga
And we do it well.
rekadong nilalagay mo sa loob or ipinapahid mo.
Yes, yes.
Hindi ba? Yeah. Okay. Oh, yung mga magtatanong, gusto nyo magtanong, gusto nyo
Ito na.
Oo.
Ready na si Andres Bonifacio Jr. para sa mga comments ngayong umaga.
Tok!
Yes! Good morning, Senyor Vic and Binibining Joanna! Naku, bagay na bagay ito sa inyo, ha? Lechon na lechon. Erlinda Bachiller, Liberata Martin Bautista, Erly Cordaga, Marisa Balbuena, Remedios Malinaw, Evelyn Jimenez, Redmond Panga Palmea, Julio Luna, Papa Idol,
Uy!
Warly Roberto! Ay nako, tumutok kayo from 12 to 1. Dalia Cortaga Baserto, Betty Guevara, Gary Sevilla, James Herrera, Reselin Benavides, Monet Ortiz, and Jenny Piamonte. Mika Igay, magandang panregalo ito sa mga tatay. May dedication na, may cake ka pa. Ayan, 2-in-1 yan ha.
Sa
Pasteleria
Pasteleria.
Manila. Ayan. Marical Luengas, magandang umaga Pro Pinoy. Happy Father's Day. Marami na naman tayong matututunan sa negosyo. Jane Lamigo, magandang umaga Pro Pinoy. Watching from Cavite. Maganda talaga mga cake nila at masarap pa.
Kanina.
Aileen Kalamba, magandang umaga ka Pro Pinoy. Masarap ang cake nila. Ayan, Jericho Herrera, sana all lechon. Sarap na iuwi sa probinsya. Gaano katagal yung ano niya? Yung
Lutong?
Yung lutong.
So for us naman, we had a customer bring it all the way to Batangas.
Batangas.
They went on a hike and then mga 5-6 hours after lutong pa din daw. Yes.
Pwede
5-6
pa,
hours.
no? Okay.
Yun yung what
Isa
yung
pa to
sinabi
na
ng customer. Yes.
Isa pa, may nakita ako mahilig din sa lechon.
Nilalagay kayo, kaya maluto. Secret,
Secret, yes,
Secret
yes.
pa
Sabi ko nga.
Sorry, yes.
Imamay day ko lang, sir. Antoinette Calamba,
Yeah.
sana lahat lechon, masarap din yung may-ari ng... Hoy! Bulsang kami rito!
Yeah.
Robelyn Hurcales, pahingi naman from Toronto, Canada. Ayan, ako namimiss nila. Namimiss
ng
nila.
OFW.
Lalo na yung mga nasa overseas.
Oo.
Yan ang hindi nila natitikman.
Mga restaurant.
Maribel Kalinawan, wow, lechon! Ang pogi ng guest! Artist time! Ano ba kayo?
Lechon ho ang ano niya, pinopromo. Lechon, hindi ho siya.
Hindi siya ang... Pwede ba siya ang mag-deliver?
Actually, with regards to yung mga ganon, we actually also do deliver sometimes.
Yeah.
Oh, yan!
So,
Okay,
yeah,
no?
so being yung mga
I-request
owners kasi,
nyo.
syempre, there are times na hindi medyo malalate yung third-party couriers namin, so we have to be the ones to deliver. And obviously,
tama.
we don't share also. Parang to the customer, syempre they're only paying for the lechon. They don't know na sometimes it's us naman delivering. So yun yung added value also din namin na we're very hands-on sa business. Talaga. Yes.
Oh, pwede
Hindi ko rin
daw.
share yung address. Kim Herrera, sa mga probinsya ng lechon. Liberata Martin Bautista, yan na masarap kahit walang sauce. Yummy na, delicious pa. Jock Reyes, ang sarap ng lechon pahingi. Nakakagutom na episode.
Nang-
James Herrera, sarap ng lechon lalo na kung paminsan-minsan
Kamukha niya si Andres.
Sir.
Si Bong Revilla.
Oh, nakita.
Pag tumawa. Kamusta yung pa mo? Okay, tuloy mo.
Isabel Laurente, kainan na! Hindi kompleto ang handaan o pista kung
Yeah.
walang lechon. Oy, tama yan, ha? Ay, sabitan, ang sarap ng balat ng lechon, lalo na sa mga susunod na araw. Hashtag, nakapagpaksiw na ba ang lahat? Recycle yarn? Angeli Gomez, masarap na nga ang lechon, masarap pa yung may-ari. Ano ba? Nagutom tuloy ako. Ano ba itong mga viewers natin? Carmela Heras, wow, kakaiba na naman pang kabuhayan o technique lechon ng Cebu. Iba talaga sa mga dinarayo ng mga turista. Sir, Senyor Vic, ano bang pagkakaiba ng lechon dito, lechon ng Batangas, sa lechon ng Cebu?
Yung pixie niya yung pinakamasarap.
Tapos ang usapan.
Pinakamasarap.
No naman. Mukha nga. Mamaya, magkakaalam-alam.
Mamaya, magkakaalaman tayo. Annalyn Hermesa, sana all lechon parang fiesta lang.
Diba?
Ayan, back to Studio 2. Binibining Joanna and Senyor Pete De Leon Lima.
Jo, go!
Ganyan talaga kilala yung ano. Ay, hindi daw. Daw kilala yung lechon sa piyesta, kasalan.
At saka madaling tandaan yung pangalan, no? Pete
Pete
Senyor.
Senyor.
Hindi ba?
Pete
Pete Senyor. Anong gusto mong lechon? Pete Senyor.
Oo.
Hindi ba?
Bukod sa masarap na. Balik na natin kay Andres Bonifacio. Hindi pa. Oo naman, easy lang.
Oo, kasi alam mo, totoo yan, Jo, yung Pete Senyor. Ibig ko sabihin, now that they saw you on TV, they heard about your lechon, alam mo naman ang Pilipino, adventurous Teka muna, susubukan ko tong Pete Senyor, hindi ba? So I am sure, after this, maraming ko-contact sa'yo. Pero siya raw, hindi pwede yun. Wholesome tayo, di ba? Wholesome tayo.
yung lechon ang binibenta.
Yeah.
Okay, so Okay, para wala, okay.
Sige.
Sige po, baka may gusto kayong batiin, pasalamatan.
Yes, syempre, thank you kay Andres for visiting, for
Guest
allowing
us.
us to guest here, no? Big opportunity to you guys also for allowing me to talk a little bit more. Shout out kay Ads also for connecting me to Andres sa Tinapay by Ads. So, kaibigan ko din.
Paano kayo nagkakilala? Paano?
Yeah, so,
Tinapay by
Tinapay
Ads.
by
It's
Ads,
with
yes.
Aida. Ma'am Aida. Ay, hindi. Tinapay.
Adrian,
Adrian.
yes.
Oh, okay.
Tinapay by Ads, yeah.
Okay,
So,
okay.
makakilala kami through a network, BNI, from BNI Taguig, yes.
BNI
BNI Taguig,
din.
yes. So, if anyone wants to join, we'd love to invite you also to meetings there.
Maganda po
other
talaga,
networks,
no?
yes.
Ang dami na. Lumawak na yung BNI eh.
Yes, yes.
Pinakamalakas ang BNI Taguig po, no?
Yes,
Sa Pilipinas.
yes, yes.
Ayan.
As a
Batiin nyo rin po sila, yung mga kasama nyo doon.
Yes, yes. So I'd like to shout out to my power teammates from
Yung mga
the events
lechoneros
team.
mo.
Yes, to the lechoneros also. Hello.
Di secret yan.
Hashtag we made it. Parang ganun.
Secret pa rin yung pangalan ng mga lechonero.
Yes, yes.
Secret
ganun.
pa rin.
Din, yes. Lahat secret. Everything operations, lahat secret. Syempre,
Yeah, sa bagay.
as business owners, I think we also have to protect our
That's correct,
employees
that's correct.
and whatnot.
I agree with you.
Pero yung mga,
Confidentiality talaga.
yung 5 kinuha nyo sa Cebu, nandito pa rin sila sa atin hanggang ngayon.
Yes.
Sila
yes.
pa rin,
So,
sila pa rin.
That's
Nadagdagan,
also,
hindi na.
we do also, but it's mga kilala talaga sa mga lechoners namin and everything.
So paano yun? Di na sila nakakawin Cebu? How about the
Uh,
families?
we also let them fly.
May bakasyon naman.
Yes, may bakasyon naman, of
Yeah.
course. Yeah.
Wow.
So, talagang, yung number one priority talaga namin was, one, safety, and then yung how we treat our employees talaga. So,
Yes.
we wanted them to feel at home also. They are able to, parang they have a lot of day offs also, parang ganun. So, we do our best talaga to take care of our employees. Kasi, as business owners, yung employees nyo talaga are the
Oo.
ones that are going to grow your product.
Meron kong dinaitanong. Yung ganitong small, gaano katagal niluluto yan?
Again, sorry.
Secret na
Yes,
naman.
Secret, sorry. Yes,
sabi
yes.
ko nga.
Dami kong secrets nga eh.
Oo nga, maraming secret to.
Secrets, pero success naman yung nandun.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Pero you make sure, yung length ng pagluluto niya is enough already para lumutong, maluto yung loob.
Walang
Yung,
subo,
Yes, so,
walang...
yes, so we do our best talaga na medyo science din yung pagkalechon eh. It's a science and an art talaga.
Talagang
When we
expertise Because hindi mo naman pwedeng silipin ang loob niyan kung hilaw pa.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, so we
Tansya
do our
na.
best talaga.
Oo. Ano talaga?
Experience is the best
Expertise.
teacher talaga, yeah.
Ilan po yung ilang buwan yung research and development natin?
Oh, it's quite a while, So,
Oh.
yung dream talaga of having a lechon company was probably, I'd like to say, 3-5 years before we even started.
Wow, tagal.
And then, parang bigla na lang, one day, we just bit on it and then said, okay.
Pero siyempre, pag-aaralan niyo yung mga possibilities, mga
Yes,
feasible
yes.
studies, where to market.
Bale, ilang ano po yun? Ilang lechon yung inaral natin?
Marami talaga.
Marami din.
So for us, kina-crave ka talaga namin yung lechon eh. So, even if we own a lechon company, parang there'd be times na we'd have it twice in a week.
Yeah,
Like,
totoo
there's a
yun.
month na we'd have it twice in a week, and then every month talaga we'll have one lechon for quality control also. If there's a new lechonero that we want to...
So, continuous yung aral.
Yes.
No.
Yung
Always learning. I think as business owners talaga, you have to
Pag
constantly learn.
kinakain nyo ba yung lechon nyo, I mean, during the early days, Dad, teka, parang kulang ng alat eh. Dad, teka, parang masyadong maalat
yes,
eh.
Yes,
di ba?
so there were a lot of things talaga adjustments talaga. Yeah, so it was a long process talaga yung pagkalechon na namin.
No.
Always
So-
constantly learning, trying the best.
So how long when you thought it was already perfect? Isang taon,
3
dalawang
to
taon?
5.
We're still always trying to improve also.
Nag-explore pa rin kayo.
Explore pa rin. We're trying
Tama
what
naman.
else can we do better and everything.
Ayan, balik muna natin kay Andres Bonifacio Jr. para sa ilang anunsyo.
Yes, Miss Joanna, wala na naman tayong napili na ika-27th na Pro Pinoy Partner ayon kay Attorney Lobea. Sumunod kasi tayo sa ating pa-hashtag at saka yung mga mechanics ng game. Pero sa Monday, abangan ninyo ang ating isa na namang pasorpresa para sa ating nag-iisa. Yan! Joanna, balik ko
Ano yan? Anong punchline yan?
Ano ba yan? Natulas? Ay.
Oo, alam ko na. Sige.
Okay. So, Sir Joshua, ano po kaya yung pinakamahalagang payong pwede nating maibahagi dun sa mga gusto ring magtagumpay sa negosyo?
Kunyari si Andres, nagbabalak magtayo ng lechonan, di ba? Lechon itik.
Kahit hindi lechon. Kahit hindi lechon.
Yeah, so sa akin lang, there are 4 things that I wanted to
4
share
things.
lang ha. So, number 1, yung patience talaga. So,
Naman.
yung business hindi basta-basta yun eh.
Bawal pikon, di ba?
Bawal pikon. Dapat always best presentation. Dapat always best effort talaga palagi. The second one is, so the first one is patience, second one is professionalism.
course.
So always, whether malungkot ka or bad day, good day, whatnot, always stay grounded na maganda pa rin yung presentation mo
Correct.
to customers, to the people you work with. But like you mentioned, Balpicon. Third is constantly trying to find new ways to innovate or to better your process.
Eh, parang huwag mo dadalhin yung mood mo sa negosyo. I mean, if you're in a bad mood, but when you face your business, you should be in a good mood, di ba?
So always be open to learning. You're not always the
Right.
best. You're never at your best. There's always something you can do better. Parang ganun. And fourth one is, syempre, surrounding yourself with a good support system talaga. So there are days that are long. There are harder days are longer. Parang ganun. So it's really about supporting yourself with the right people, whether it be through friends, through networking, through business partners, through family, through your church group and God and everything. So,
Of course.
syempre, that is always the most important thing.
No, dahil, alam mo, makaka-inspire ka, lalo na sa mga kabataan, dahil you're still young, hindi ba? Ilan taon na? Secret na naman
Secret.
sasagot mo.
I'm 31.
Akala ko
31.
secret na naman.
Yes.
31.
31.
Oo, wala. I mean, you inspire those people na mga, oo nga, no, why not like that? I'm from this
Negosyo.
province, bakit hindi ko dalhin yung special to ko rito sa Metro
Yes,
Manila?
yes.
Di
Agree,
ba? Yung
agree.
mga
Yes,
ganon.
yes, yeah.
That will be good.
Yes.
All right.
Congratulations, Sir Joshua,
Thank you.
at sa
Thank you
pamilya.
so much for having us.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa Pig Senyor. So, mainyo na naman ang isang linggong punong-puno ng inspirasyon at mga kaalaman ng pwede ninyong pagkakitaan tulad ng Pig Senyor ni Joshua Noel Cruz. Next week, tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo sa pagtuklas, pagpapakilala at pagtulong sa mga nagagalingang produkto at serbisyong Pinoy. Kung saan ang masayang kwentuhan, dala ay aral at mga inspirasyon sa pagkakakitaan at pagpapalakas sa ekonomiya ng sambayanan. Ako pong muli si Joanna Lunang, iyong kabalitaan sa mga pinakabagong pwede ninyong pagkakitaan. Have a safe weekend, Barangay Radyo 1. At advance Happy Father's Day sa aking tatay.
Ngayon,
Julio
Happy
Luna.
Father's Day, Mang Julio. Alright. Ako po naman si Big Senyor. Di kami titigil sa pagsuyod sa buong mundo ng mga kwentong kapupulutan ninyo ng inspirasyon, tips at teknik sa pagninegosyo. Lagi ninyo kaming samahan Lunes hanggang Biyernes, 9 o'clock in the morning until 10:30 in the morning, exclusive sa Radyo 1. Dito, Pinoy ang angat. Dito, Pinoy ang sikat dahil tayong lahat ay Pro Pinoy!
Pinoy, ito na